Daily routine. Monday to Friday. My daily routine for Monday to Friday is as same. I start the day give it tasks to good. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and take a shower. I leave to I leave the bathroom and put on my clothes and preparing and greet the morning. The, then I wake up my son Almond as well with a song or singing. He brushes he brushes his teeth and I put on cream and his uniform in coat and take him to the living room to serve him breakfast to eat together. After breakfast and give it reading, we leave. I take my son to the school and I go to my work, which is also a school. I start the daily routine. We pray and we call the list, giving a yes and the beginning of class at 9:15 and we have the lunch after a little play in the park. We go back to the class and um, um, 11 for 5:45 students have the lunch at 1:15. They leave class, they follow my team for lunch and they leave it off at 4:13 to the house. I give home, rest a little with my son. I wear comfortable clothes, prepare something of it for bath of use. I put on homework or work I have I have. I put on clothes for exercise because I like the room and I give a home. I take a shower and I put on pajama and I sleep with my son. Saturday and Sunday are for my day of total recess. I usually give it up at 9 p.m. I make a breakfast. I fix the apartment. I fix apartment. I bother my son and I beat. We usually have lunch off the streets or in the mall or use and make a delicious lunch at home. From time to time we go to the cinema or go to the pool. Some weekends I like to the dancing or do the things. Thank you.